Hi, as you can see, we're back here at the she shed again, and it now has an extra window on the front. And on the right corner, you'll see I have a power outlet outside. And there's my little Nellie. Okay, let's go inside and see what's happening in there. Oops, guess this must be the entrance. And there's my husband, the worker bee, working during this 32-degree balmy weather, as he calls it. We now have insulation in here. He's removed the barn door and he's making that a solid wall over there. And if we look overhead, there's a light there. And a light there. And one there. Remember, that's where the desk is going to be. The power box there. And there are all kind of outlets around the perimeter.
And there's all that drywall.
And all kind of drywall that'll be installed next. So nice. Insulated drywall coming up next. After that, the next big thing will be a floor. Stay tuned. We'll be back.